Alright, so this is unlike any other dashcam which I've seen from the past 5 years. I'm talking about the Dansker A668, the 9.66-inch mirror dashcam that comes under the price bracket of, guess what, 5,000? No, it comes under the price bracket of 4,500 rupees. Yes, I recently had a chance to review the Dansker A668 and I'm still currently testing out this camera, and the kind of features this camera offers are mostly available in cameras like above 15,000, about 20,000 rupees, and Dansker providing you a limited time discount offer on this camera, now currently trending at about 4,400 rupees or close to about 49.99 US dollars. This is something considering if you have that kind of a budget and you want the most value for money for your car and for your dashcam. Starting off with the fact that the Dansker A668 gives you a 9.66-inch 2.5D curved touchscreen display, which gives you a super wide and an anti-glare view. This camera is also equipped with a low light night vision tech, and this dashcam also reduces glare from the headlights that are coming from behind you. This camera also supports time-lapse monitoring and motion detection when your car is parked. Well, this dashcam is basically a dual channel setup giving you a full HD resolution for the front and a full HD for the rear. So the rear camera is basically designed to be mounted outside your car near the rear bumper, just like every other mirror dashcam out there. But if you're someone who's specifically looking to mount it inside, you might kind of do that as well. Well, the best thing about this dashcam is that this offers you multiple display modes, which means you can easily switch between the various different modes on the screen. You can switch between the front view, the rear view, you can even get a picture-in-picture view, or you can even get a split screen view. Now these are some really cool and really premium features which have never been provided in such a low budget range. On top of it, this dashcam also gives you a reverse view. Basically, the rear camera has a reverse signal cable wire. So once you connect it to the reverse light of your car, as soon as you engage the reverse gear, the camera pops up with the reverse view, and on top of it you also get reverse guidelines which are even customizable. They are not fixed guidelines, so you can like move them up and down and like adjust them according to the kind of view which you're getting on the screen. I mean, have you ever heard of all of these features under 4,500? I'm quite sure you haven't. And to those of you who are wondering if this display is always turned on, well, it's not. The Dansker A668 also has a button right at the bottom, and just at the press of a button, the display turns off and you get your regular old anti-glare internal rear view mirror. So lots of cool features, lots of premium features, and providing you a full HD front and a full HD rear. Perfect choice to those who are looking for a reverse view camera, who want some guidelines, who want dual channel setup, who want a wide screen, on top of it's a touch screen, everything coming under a limited time offer for a price of less than 4,500 rupees. Now do note that I'm working on a full review video of this camera wherein I'll be showing you the detailed unboxing, the entire on-screen settings and the setup, along with the video quality review as well. So if you're someone who is looking to get into the detail of this dashcam before you actually buy it, you can make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, because you don't want to miss that super awesome review video. But if you're already convinced to buy this camera, you don't need to wait any longer. This offer is only for a limited period, so better you go ahead and grab it straight away. So I'll just head out to continue testing the Dansker A668, and I hope you guys have a really good day. See you in the next one.